Have you ever come across a closed door, only to realize later that it might have been the best thing that could happen? Today, we'll explore how to handle rejection, drawing inspiration from the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Picture a world where every no doesn't hold you back, but propels you forward. Rejection, often linked with pain, can actually lead to something better. It's not about outsmarting fate, but recognizing that sometimes rejection is an invitation to something greater. Have you ever felt ignored, dismissed, or undervalued? It's time to change that story. In this discussion, we'll break down 13 key lessons to help you turn rejection into a source of strength. These are practical strategies grounded in real-life experiences, not just abstract ideas. Before we get into these lessons, help us share this wisdom by liking and ringing the notification bell. Your engagement shows us that you appreciate these insights. Now let's start this transformative journey together. Number 1, don't react emotionally. Rejection can be tough, often leading to impulsive reactions. But Stoicism offers a different approach. Instead of giving in to frustration or sadness, focus on building resilience. When faced with rejection, resist the urge to seek validation or express resentment. Stoicism encourages us to respond thoughtfully, not by suppressing emotions but by mastering them. If you feel ignored, take a moment to reflect. Often, it's our insecurities, not the rejection itself, that cause the most pain. Concentrate on your actions and responses, rather than on others' behavior. Stay polite and kind, even when tempted to reach out. Let your responses be sincere and free of expectations. This approach demonstrates emotional mastery, not just positivity. Understand that your self-worth isn't determined by others' approval, but by how you handle rejection. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection isn't just about coping, it's about thriving. It's a journey toward self-confidence, where external validation loses its grip. By adopting this mindset, you project strength and resilience, qualities that naturally attract others. Number 2, remove them from your mind. When facing rejection, mastering detachment is crucial. Acknowledge the impact without letting it dominate your thoughts. Instead of viewing rejection as a roadblock, see it as a sign guiding you toward new opportunities. Use the experience to fuel personal growth, handling challenges with calm and grace. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit and expand your horizons, treating each new experience as a step in your journey of self-discovery. Surround yourself with positive influences, connecting with people who inspire and uplift you. These relationships encourage mutual growth and reinforce the idea that rejection doesn't define your worth, but challenges you to rediscover and reinvent yourself. With every challenge, build a stronger, more resilient version of yourself, ready to face life's obstacles with unwavering determination. Number 3, don't beg for attention. Stoicism teaches us to ground ourselves in our inherent self-worth, independent of others' opinions. Rather than seeking validation from external sources, focus on finding fulfillment through personal growth and self-discovery. Pursue activities that resonate with your passions and values, prioritizing authenticity over temporary attention. Your journey of self-improvement is not about proving others wrong, but about embracing your unique strengths and goals. Avoid the temptation to seek approval from others, knowing that true confidence stems from within. By concentrating on your personal development and well-being, you redefine success on your own terms, free from the need for external validation. Number 4, disregard them too. When life greets you with indifference, don't retreat, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't an act of pettiness. It's a powerful affirmation of your self-worth. If someone doesn't value your time, that's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, "I deserve better." It's like holding up a mirror to their behavior while staying unaffected yourself. But how do you do this without becoming bitter? Shift your focus to your own life, your goals, your happiness. Engage in activities that enrich you, whether it's reading, playing sports, learning new skills, or spending time with those who truly appreciate you. Turn the sting of rejection into fuel for personal growth, building a strong sense of self-respect that deflects indifference. This approach isn't about retaliating against rejection. It's about thriving despite it. It shows emotional maturity and resilience, reinforcing that your worth isn't tied to someone else's recognition. Stay true to yourself and let your actions speak louder than their silence. Number 5, don't reveal your struggles. Resist the urge to share your struggles or seek validation from others. Instead, maintain your composure and dignity, embodying the Stoic resilience that allows you to face adversity with grace. Acknowledge your emotions, but don't let them control your actions or weaken your self-confidence. Handling rejection with poise demonstrates your inner strength and resilience. Embrace the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience, which values integrity and self-respect above all. In life's challenges, your response to rejection reflects your inner fortitude and unwavering commitment to personal growth. The Stoics understood that rejection is a part of life, and they prepared themselves to face it as a possible outcome. They didn't naively wish for things beyond their control, but instead mentally rehearsed worst-case scenarios, finding peace with whatever happened. Their responses were measured, neither surprised nor overly emotional. For example, Seneca started each day by mentally reviewing his plans and anticipating obstacles like storms, illness, or even pirate attacks. He believed that a wise person should never be shaken by the unexpected. He once wrote to a friend, "Not all things happen as we wish, but as we expect, especially when something could disrupt our plans." Through this practice, Seneca stayed prepared for disruptions, incorporating them into his strategies. He was ready for both defeat and victory, knowing that a pleasant surprise is always preferable to an unpleasant one. Number 6, act as if they don't exist. When confronted with indifference, the most powerful response is often found in quiet strength. Instead of wasting energy on those who ignore you, redirect your focus to those who truly value your presence. In situations where interaction is necessary, maintain professionalism and civility, but don't invest emotional energy in one-sided relationships. By prioritizing your well-being and nurturing meaningful connections, you send a clear message that your time and attention are valuable. Choosing not to engage in unproductive efforts isn't a sign of weakness. It's a demonstration of self-respect and wisdom. Embrace the strength of walking away, knowing that your energy is best spent on relationships and pursuits that contribute to your growth and fulfillment. Number 7, demonstrate your values. Instead of allowing rejection to bring you down, view it as a chance to showcase your resilience. When you're sidelined or overlooked, shift your focus to constructive actions. Channel your energy into meaningful projects and initiatives, proving your abilities despite others' disregard. Recognize that rejection doesn't determine your worth. It simply redirects you toward opportunities that better align with your talents and passions. See setbacks as setups for comebacks, crafting a success story defined by perseverance and determination. By practicing empathy and understanding, you'll emerge from rejection stronger and wiser, ready to tackle adversity with renewed vigor. Rejection isn't the end of your story. It's a crucial chapter in your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Number 8, go out and have fun. Amidst rejection, embracing joy becomes a powerful act of resilience. Instead of withdrawing, intentionally seek out experiences that bring you happiness and fulfillment. Challenge the idea that rejection should dampen your spirits by actively pursuing moments of joy and connection. Engage in activities that spark your passion and foster meaningful relationships with others. Embrace the unknown, seeing rejection not as a closed door, but as an opportunity to explore new horizons. Each new experience enriches your life, reinforcing the resilience and adaptability that shape your journey. Through shared laughter and experiences, you rediscover your place in the world, reminding yourself that rejection is only a temporary hurdle on the way to greater fulfillment. In conclusion, the art of leveraging rejection is a journey of self-discovery and resilience, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. By viewing rejection as a catalyst for growth, you turn setbacks into opportunities and emerge stronger, wiser, and more self-assured. Stay stoic.